1, 2, 3.
Yeah!
This groundbreaking today highlights the important role that partnerships play to overcome big challenges and deliver for our communities.
I'm here to say thank you to our funding partners and to our brick purchasers for coming together with your hearts and your dollars to help us purchase the upgraded, accessible playground equipment to restore the safe space for children to play.
We're honored, blessed to be part of this project. It's an honor to be part of this community, and it's an honor to serve the kids of this community. And this park is really about the kids. It's our future.
As a longtime resident, just wanting to see these sectors come together, make the right investments, and support our community, that's what it's about. So hearing that, seeing it today, seeing the fruition, we're really excited about that.
Again, great achievement. Looking forward to the ground opening ceremony, the real ceremony, and thank you for, again, allowing us to be part of this project. Thank you.